I just got in and I have some scratches here and it really burns.
You sure you don't want to help me?
Okay.
I can't see you.
Natural buoyancy. He's like a whale that can't swim. Oh my god. So I just realized I left my sunglasses back when we were in Petra. Luckily, the hotel in Petra still have them, so we are taking a little detour today and heading back to Petra before we get to the Dead Sea. And there was a restaurant we really liked in Petra, so I'm kind of excited we get to go back and eat there again today. This was really good. Inside, but maybe extra garlic. This is really good. Good way to end our trip in Petra. So to get from Petra to the Dead Sea, there is a back route through Little Petra that should be faster. So that's what we're on right now. We have come across a goat crossing. Wow, this is a lot. Who's leading them? Oh well, I guess I'll lead it. We'll just follow them. So we're taking this back road between Petra and the Dead Sea.
It wasn't supposed to be a back road. Google Maps said it was the fastest route, but it was a one lane. It turned into like a half lane, half dirt,
through the mountains.
Two-way, through the mountains.
Didn't see anyone. It was really scenic, but and we're still on it. We're less than halfway through it. It's turned into 2 lanes now, so it's a little bit better, but
it's
not really scenic.
One of those things where if you think if you broke down and you have a cell phone signal, you'd be really screwed in the village. The hill people are gonna come out and kill you. I think that would be.
Hopefully that won't happen. I was just thinking we might freeze to death at night.
Well, we'll freeze to death.
I was already thinking we have like food for maybe a day, water for like a couple days. Is that? That's not the ocean.
That's desert.
Oh. Everything looks like the ocean to me. Oh hey, there's a car in front of us. So yeah, this looks kind of like Mars, desolate. Not much going on here, but I think we're kind of glad to see that we're coming out of these mountains. So we've come out of the valley, or the mountains, and now we're in this like great plains where there's just nothing as far as the eyes can see, just rocks, a couple of trees. So about 2 cars behind us, there is a tanker, is it a tank? With a car with a machine gun on top and a guy standing up there holding the machine gun. They pulled over to let it pass because that's just a little bit scary to have it behind you. Have this huge long walk to the Dead Sea down there from our hotel, and we were wondering why. And these signs here keep telling us the water level's been receding, kind of like a glacier effect. And like 20 years ago it was here. And then now it's all the way down there.
Wow, that is, what is that like?
Dry up soon.
That's like more than 1,000 feet away.
Is that 1,000?
Or I mean to the coast. Elevation? That's like, it's like 200 feet.
that in, and I have some scratches here and it really burns. All right, let's see. You have some burn cuts? Do you have some cuts? Yeah, I forgot I had some cuts. You have some cuts on your butt? Moment of truth, he usually sinks. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow, it's really shallow and I'm floating. Hello, Dicey. So you can't roll over?
No, I mean, you can, it's just, it's funny.
He's like a whale that can't swim. Oh my gosh, your feet are like fully sticking out. Careful. Dude. I've never seen anyone swim like that before. Just figuring out how we're gonna get through Petra right now. Look at that. It's like salt crystals.
Like salt gems.
Yeah, be really careful about cuts on your body. I just have a slight scratch on my side, a little bit of dry skin, and it's been burning for the past 15 minutes and it doesn't stop burning. So yeah, don't shave before you come in. Make sure you don't have any cuts, and bring a bottle of water in case you get the water in your eyes. You can rinse it out really quickly. This is where they dig the mud out. There's a giant hole. Oh, this is darker than this morning. Oh, this is like black. It's totally different.
That's alright.
Oh, the feeling, I don't think it's that great. It's really grainy and it's really tight once it's drying. So, I don't know. We'll see if it does anything. It's super tight. I can barely bend my arms. Time to get it.
You can probably hear the Chinese. They're here. They're all here. I can say that because I'm Chinese, but they're all here.
Clean. I guess it feels a little smoother. So I feel surprisingly clean for having mud on me just now. It feels like I took a really nice bath. A new Marvel hero is born. However, I don't think he knows what he is yet. He looks quite confused. Time to watch the superhero is heading towards his rebirth.